A quality knife set can completely change the way you cook. Better balance, sharper blades, and comfortable handles make meal preparation faster, safer, and far more enjoyable. Here are 5 of the best knife sets for home cooks that combine performance, durability, and everyday versatility. Number 5. Cangshan Thomas Keller Signature Collection. The Cangshan Thomas Keller Signature Collection is designed for home cooks who appreciate premium craftsmanship and exceptional cutting performance. Each knife is carefully balanced to provide a comfortable grip while delivering precise control for everything from slicing vegetables to carving meats. The elegant design reflects the attention to detail found throughout the collection, making it as attractive on the countertop as it is practical in daily cooking. What makes this set especially impressive is its versatility. The high-quality steel blades maintain excellent sharpness through regular use, helping reduce effort during food preparation while producing cleaner, more accurate cuts. Whether you're preparing quick weeknight dinners or experimenting with more advanced recipes, the collection provides dependable performance that grows with your cooking skills. It's an investment that brings professional-level quality into the home kitchen. Number 4. Shun Classic 6-Piece Knife Block Set. The Shun Classic 6-Piece Knife Block Set has earned a loyal following thanks to its outstanding craftsmanship and razor-sharp blades. Built using premium Japanese steel, each knife delivers smooth, precise cuts that make chopping, slicing, and dicing feel almost effortless. The beautifully finished wooden handles provide excellent comfort and control, allowing home cooks to work confidently during longer meal preparation sessions. Beyond sharpness, this set stands out for its refined balance and durability. The included knives cover the most common kitchen tasks, making it an excellent all-around choice for everyday cooking. The elegant storage block keeps everything organized while adding a premium touch to any kitchen countertop. For home chefs who value precision and long-lasting performance, the Shun Classic set continues to be one of the finest options available. Number 3. Shun Kanso 6-Piece Block Set. The Shun Kanso 6-Piece Block Set combines traditional Japanese knife-making principles with a clean, minimalist design that focuses entirely on performance. The blades are engineered for exceptional sharpness, allowing ingredients to be sliced cleanly while preserving texture and presentation. Whether you're preparing vegetables, trimming meat, or finely chopping herbs, each knife feels responsive and remarkably easy to control. Its ergonomic handles provide a secure, comfortable grip that reduces fatigue during extended cooking sessions. The carefully selected knife selection covers the essential kitchen tasks without unnecessary extras, making the set practical for both beginners and experienced home cooks. With its combination of premium materials, elegant styling, and dependable cutting performance, the Shun Kanso set offers an excellent balance between simplicity and professional quality craftsmanship. Number 2. Bavarian Knife Works 19 Pieces Kitchen Knife Set. The Bavarian Knife Works 19 Pieces Kitchen Knife Set is ideal for home cooks who want a complete collection capable of handling nearly every kitchen task. From chef's knives and utility knives to steak knives and kitchen shears, the set provides a wide variety of tools that eliminate the need for additional purchases. The attractive storage block also helps keep everything organized and easily accessible. Despite the generous number of pieces, the overall quality remains impressive. The stainless steel blades offer dependable sharpness for everyday cooking, while the comfortable handles provide secure control during food preparation. Whether you're preparing family dinners or entertaining guests, having the right knife readily available makes cooking noticeably more efficient. For anyone seeking variety, convenience, and excellent overall value, this set is a strong contender. Number 1. Hexclad Green 6-Piece Knife Set. The Hexclad Green 6-Piece Knife Set earns the top spot by combining premium materials with exceptional everyday usability. Each knife feels well balanced in the hand, providing outstanding control for precise slicing, chopping, and dicing across a wide variety of ingredients. The blades maintain their sharp edge through regular use, helping make meal preparation faster while reducing the effort required for each cut. What truly separates this collection is its modern design and consistent performance. The ergonomic handles remain comfortable even during extended cooking sessions, while the sleek appearance complements contemporary kitchens beautifully. Instead of overwhelming users with unnecessary pieces, the set focuses on the essential knives most home cooks reach for every day. For anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a dependable, high-quality knife set, the Hex-clad Green Collection delivers an outstanding balance of performance, durability, and style. The right knife set makes every meal easier to prepare and more enjoyable to cook. If this guide helped you find the perfect set for your kitchen, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next Kitchen Essentials Roundup.